Hello and welcome to another one of Dynamic CCTV's technical videos. Today we're just going to do a quick demo on the visual tracking through HikCentral, which is a really powerful tool for the likes of operators for monitored systems, making it a lot easier to track suspects or people through the actual system. So to set this up, we do this through the logical view, and if we go to our main MVR, and for today we're just using our car park cameras. So if I click on car park 2, and then you can see there's an option for visual tracking. If I click on this and then drop down on our main MVR again, and also search for the different car park cameras that I want. So I'm going to link up car park 3, so I can click and then drag car park 3 and position it where I want it to be displayed on the control client to switch between the cameras. If I click on save there, and then save again at the bottom. And if I switch back to our HikCentral control client, so this is the main front end that would be used by operators that are managing the system. What I'll do now is I'll ask my colleague that's going to be doing this for us, just doing a walk test to show this in action, to go down outside the front of our building. So this is just the camera streaming as normal as it would in live view. For example, if an operator was sat at their desk that were monitoring multiple cameras, and they're currently monitoring for this demo here, we're using car park 2. And as you can see, my colleagues walked out there, and if I want to track them, I can click on the visual tracking option there, and it will now switch into visual tracking mode. And as they walk further round, you can see that it's getting limitations of car park 2, so I can click on that icon there, and it then brings them up in full screen on car park 3. And then I can then switch over to our 4th camera, which will automatically switch it, which makes it a lot easier for people to be tracked through the system by the operators, making it much more seamlessly. There isn't the need to then manually follow them or search the cameras. Now if I select on the final camera there, you can then see that it's switched to our ANPR camera, which is on a physically different recorder, so you can link this between multiple devices. If I exit this now, it then gives me the option to save the video file. So for this one, if I click on OK, it will now download the actual video file, and if I click on Open Folder, you can see there that I've got the actual car park video saved. And what I can do is if I open our VS Player software and then drag and drop the actual car park video, and then as you can see, if I bring up the drag and drop the actual camera into VS Player, I can double click on it to play it. Now this will automatically switch between the actual cameras in a seamless video stream, which you can then see there. So it's stitched all of the footage together. I can make that full screen. It'll automatically switch between those cameras, and then finally to our ANPR camera, which is on different MVR, which is a really powerful tool and makes it a lot easier when tracking individuals through the system from operators. It makes it a nice, clean, easy way when it comes to exporting as well, and for the actual system. So that's just a quick demo of the visual tracking function through the HikCentral VMS platform, which is available from us here at Dynamic CCTV. Please get in contact with us if you'd like to know more about this. Thank you, bye.